The water pump is part of the cooling system. Its job is to circulate coolant through the engine and radiator. When the water pump fails, you may see coolant leaking, overheating, noise from the pump, or low coolant. Today I'm working on a 2017 Ford Escape, replacing the water pump. This is not a quick job. On this vehicle, access is tight and you need to take your time. Before starting, make sure the engine is completely cold. Tools you'll need: ratchet, socket set, extensions, wrench set, pliers, drain pan, coolant, gasket scraper, brake cleaner, new water pump, new gasket or seal, and possibly a belt tool. First, disconnect the negative battery cable. Next, remove any plastic engine covers or intake ducting that blocks access. Now place a drain pan under the vehicle. Open the coolant drain or remove the lower radiator hose and drain the coolant. Once the coolant is drained, locate the water pump area. You need to remove the passenger side wheel and splash shield to access the pump better. The water pump is driven by the timing belt. That means to replace the water pump correctly, you have to partially disassemble the engine and retime it properly. This is serious engine work. Take out the wipers and the cover to get more access. Underneath the car, take out the cover. Now inspect the serpentine belt routing. Before removing the belt, take a picture of the belt path dot. It's easier to loosen pulley bolts while the belt is still on, because the belt helps hold the pulley from spinning. First thing, disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety.
I got my money, let's spend it up. Go out
Now remove the starter. Again, this is part of gaining access to the timing area and engine components. Take your time with connectors and wiring. Do not force anything. Now support the engine if necessary and remove any engine mounts blocking access to the timing cover. At this point, we can start removing the timing cover components. After that, remove the alternator. On this vehicle, space is tight, so taking the alternator out gives us room to work. Before touching the timing belt, the engine must be timed correctly. This part is critical. If engine timing is incorrect, you can cause major engine damage. That's why special timing tools are required on this engine. These tools lock the crankshaft and camshaft into the correct position. Part 2 coming soon.
Thanks for watching Be Auto Mechanic and EV Rescue. Real repairs, real solutions, real mechanics. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the next video.